Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of My Reset. So for today's episode, we will be featuring some real natural and affordable skincare hacks. We will find out if these skincare hacks are effective for oily skin like I do. All the ingredients can be found at home. If you guys are a fan of skincare DIY like me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Are you ready? Let's proceed. I've got the skincare hacks from GMA's The Good News, and I want to see for myself if these would be effective for an oily skin. This natural skincare routine is discussed by Dr. Sapanghila, an aesthetic dermatologist. As mentioned from The Good News, these skincare hacks are for everyone, for ladies and gentlemen. First on our list is to cleanse and exfoliate. The products that we will be using is tomato and sugar. We would need a not so overripe tomato and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mash it until it's soft, and you can use a blender or fork, whichever you prefer. The tomato is overloaded with vitamin A, C, and E and can moisturize too as it has salicylic acid. Sugar, on the other hand, has glycolic acid that fights aging and promotes freshness in the skin. Now let's put it on. You guys might be asking which sugar is better to use, if it's white sugar or the brown sugar. According to healthline.com, when choosing a sugar scrub, brown sugar tops the charts. It is able to hold more moisture than the white sugar, making it an effective exfoliant. Let's move it in circular motion, including the neck. Let's do it for 2 to 5 minutes, and then we rinse it with warm water. Okay, on to the next step. I've already rinsed it, so we're ready for the next step. Let's now target the dark circles under our eyes. We would be using the cucumber and the banana. According to healthline.com, oversleeping, extreme fatigue, and staying up late past your bedtime can cause dark circles to form under the eyes. Sleep deprivation can cause your skin to be dull and pale, allowing for dark tissues and blood vessels beneath your skin to show. Cucumber, which is rich in antioxidants and silica, can help slow down dark circles and has a soothing and cooling effect. Then, we'll add this fruit, which is rich in potassium, the banana, to reduce the puffiness and dryness of the skin. The cucumber is high in caffeic acid, thus producing the soothing and cooling effect, partnered with banana, which has anti-inflammatory effects for a more relaxed skin. And it really smells nice. We leave it on for 2 minutes. Then after all the concoction is consumed, we rinse it off. Alright, on to the last and final step of the skincare routine. We would be needing 2 eggs, and we should separate the yolk from the egg white. I have here the pre-made. We just need to whisk it until it's foamy in texture. Important note, this is not for those who have allergy with eggs. So if you guys have an allergic reaction to eggs, better not do it. I can feel the tightness of my skin kahit yung tomato and sugar scrub pa lang. At let's see, I'm excited to put on the final step. Please be careful when handling raw eggs. We have to wash our hands before and after handling raw eggs to avoid any bacterial infection. So we should avoid putting it in our eyes, nose, and also mouth. Okay, so the egg whites are known to tighten and lift the skin. And with added antibacterial effect, it prevents acne and blackheads too. Now let's put it on. And after, we would be applying tissue pads to seal the deal. Let's leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water after. Now, let's take it off. Ah! Tigas niya. Yep. It's like a face mask. There we have it. Then I'm gonna rinse it off. Let's see the difference later. So my skin feels smoother and softer. And the nicest part is that all of the ingredients can be found in the kitchen. First, we cleanse and exfoliate using the tomato and brown sugar scrub, followed by the cucumber and the banana to ease out puffiness and the dark eye circles. And lastly, the egg white mask to tighten and lift the skin. These simple homemade skincare remedies that can be done once a week can help our skin to look and feel great. Maybe it's time you give it a try. Please remember, if you're feeling overwhelmed and feeling stressed out, there's always a reset button in our mental space that is called a mindset reset. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on ultra practical tips and videos on mindset reset. Until next episode!